Here we have our dill plants. We started these from seed, and good golly are they growing. We just got our flower heads to pop up. We have about 6 plants where we want the seeds for dill pickles. We know how to make those refrigerated crispy white pickles, so we'll do a little thing on that. We know in the store you get the little dill sprigs. Here's a flower bud coming out. But man, we got some stalks. And I'm not sure if we can dry and cure and use those as well. They say you're not supposed to harvest your fresh dill until the flowers have come and set. Ours have come, they have not set. So we'll give you a dill update after a bit, and not sure what else we can do with 4.5 foot tall plants of dill. A little bit is too much of a blessing? Don't know.